Night here at 6, overloaded and underpaid. That's the reality for most public defenders throughout the state and the country. However, right here in Louisville, caseloads continue to pile up and bury public defenders already stretched thin. Our Focus investigator, John Charlton, takes a look at what that means for the quality of your legal representation.
If you're a defendant on today's docket, that means you've been charged with a violation of the law.
Always a busy day at the Hall of Justice. Always a heavy caseload.
Have the right to be represented by an attorney at all stages of the proceedings.
Defendants off the street and suspects from lockup. All constitutionally required to have legal representation, even if they can't afford it.
If I feel you meet the requirements, I will appoint an attorney from the Public Defender's Office.
That's the best option for the low income who need a lawyer. And in Louisville, public defenders are needed a lot. Always on the go, from family court to juvenile court, district court to circuit court, courtroom to courtroom.
Morgan King for Miss Peterson, judge. Have you had a chance to speak with her? I have not yet.
Okay. Cases mount and more clients.
All right, we'll see you on Friday.
Thank you. Thank you.
To represent.
300 cases. I have about 240.
Kat Vining and Morgan King.
Some days you're in 5, 6 different courtrooms.
Are two of Louisville's public defenders.
We have lost so many attorneys over the last, since I started 18 months.
So they and their fellow public defenders
We would like to be heard on bond.
are working through the classic issue of doing more with less.
So I would ask for the court to not find probable cause.
Defending more individuals with less attorneys. According to data requested from the Louisville Jefferson County Public Defender Corporation, its number of public defenders has been declining year to year since 2020. In 2020, there were 80 attorneys. However, just 54 served the whole year. Serving for all of 2021, there were 49. All of last year, 43, and currently this year, 44.
We're the ones that are in the courtrooms every day, all day.
Of those 44 this year, King and Vining say several are working on a limited basis as they wait to pass the bar, while some are newer hires with only a few months of experience.
Here there is an expectation that you grind for 2 years and then you leave.
Over the last 5 years, 10 Jefferson County public defenders gave it about 2 years, according to the data. However, 19 left in less than 2 years, while 13 lasted just a few months.
When you're working 60-hour weeks, there's not much time for much else.
That includes the minimal time they can dedicate to each client.
I have had clients yell at me, "You're not fighting for me."
The percentage of your cases, if you could ballpark it, how many would you say go to plea deals?
Oh, 99%.
99%.
Clients get tired of waiting, tired of being locked up, they say.
You believe that there is definitely a link between proper representation in court and the level of crime in this community?
Yes, I believe that that link exists.
I've had 2 clients die from gun violence in the last 4 months.
Can an overly burdened public defender's office lead to more crime in a community?
That's a great question, John. I'll answer it this way. A properly staffed public defender office can help clients in very practical, pragmatic ways to reduce the chance of future criminal behavior.
Ed Monahan, a career public defender, as well as Kentucky's public advocate from 2008 to 2017, says proper representation challenges are not unique to Louisville's office.
Way too many cases, way too few staff, way too little compensation.
That doesn't just come with risk.
Some mistake being made, something being missed.
That also makes the job much less appealing. Louisville's public defender's office says the most it's been budgeted for is 78 attorneys. That's 34 more than the office has now.
Recruitment and retention is a constant challenge in a public defense program.
Monahan argues public defenders need to get paid much more. Her salary, based on her 60-hour work week, Kat Vining,
I make about $18 an hour.
says she's struggling and struggles with thinking about how much longer her public service can last.
I've been there 3.5 years. I came in with a class of 13. I'm the only one left.
And the public defender's office here in Louisville declined an interview for now. That office is the only one in Kentucky which operates independently of the state, but starting next year, the state's public advocate will take over. We're told that with the transition, pay and benefits are expected to get better. John Charlton, WHS 11, on your side.